Hello, this is a continuation on dealing with real world questions to try to answer the real world questions using the SQL queries, something like so. We'll be querying data from our database that I had already created in my previous video. So this we will be checking the three questions that is mostly asked in an interview, something like that. So, and one of the question is which department has the highest payroll. So we'll be checking which department is the company paying more money, something like that, to their employees. And the second question says who are the 5 highest paid employees. So we will be selecting the salary of employees in each department. Then we will order them in a descending order. Then we can now limit only 5. We'll be only limiting 5 rows, something like that. Then the last one, which department have more than 5 employees. So we'll be counting all employees as a total employee. Then we'll have the count of the all employee more than 5 in each department. We'll be grouping by department ID. So let's go. No more talking, let's go direct. So we will be answering the first question that says which department has the highest payroll cost. So we'll be grouping by department ID. So first you need to select department ID. After you have selected department ID, we can now sum the salary because we want to check which department had the highest payroll. So we can now sum the salary. Sum. This is just an aggregation in SQL. So we have summed the salary and named that column as a total salary. After that, we can now go direct. Then from which table we specify the table. From the employee table, then we group by the department. After we have grouped by the department, then we can order the total payroll or total salary. Can order by total salary in a descending order. After that, we can now limit because we only want 5. We only want we can now limit with 1 because we only want the highest payroll in each in a department. Limit by 1 row. You can see what I'm trying to say here. We have selected the department ID, then we use the aggregation function of sum. We sum the salary, then we rename that column that will be created as the sum of salary as the total salary. Then from the table that we had created in our database, then we will be grouping by each department. After we have grouped by each department, we will be order the total salary in each department from the descending order, from the highest to the lowest. Then we limit by 5. We will be only getting the first row, the first row only. We will not get. We have only limited the first. We can now see the department ID number 1 is the one having the highest payroll cost. Department 1. We can also let's limit so that we can see more departments. Let's limit to 5. We can see that department 1 was the one having the highest, followed by department 3, department 2, department 5, and then department 4, something like that. So this is just using a limit to limit some rows, like the way we have done.